Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to replace the new display. Basically, I got replacement display because I have some issues which I'm handling right now. They've been nice enough to send me all the replacement parts to do this replacement to troubleshoot, which most likely unnecessary, but I will still replace it and show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. So this is Philodo Falcon, the same way you will do on many other bicycles most likely. So if you have another brand or another Falcon, different model, most likely going to be the same. So first you're going to remove this spring organizer, okay, from the one only attaching the display, okay, and you would unplug this plug. It's pretty simple, and you would use the Allen key, which is 2.5 millimeters. So you just remove this first, or you can remove display first, whichever way you prefer. Okay. Just pull it out. It's plastic. And I usually would reattach it back because I'm gonna keep this display. I'm pretty sure this display is good, but I'm just replacing to make sure the problem is not caused by display. And if you didn't know, this bike comes with a C-class USB underneath, so you can charge your phone if you need it. And then I would remove the same bolts from display. So it's super easy, just like that. You want to remove this screw, not to lose them. And that's how you basically remove the display. And I would unplug now this old display. Make sure you don't switch them because some people removing the old one and then putting old back. So don't make this mistake. And then you're gonna get new one. Basically just attaching, open up. It's pretty simple. They use pretty good display. Just place right here. Make sure don't lose this bolts. In case if you lose, you have the old one. It's gonna be exactly the same. And you just reattach it and tighten up. Usually people making a big mistake and break the display mounting by tightening these bolts very strong. I recommend not to over tighten because once you over tighten, it's all out of plastic and it can easily break. And if it breaks, you would have to replace mounting. And most of the time you would have to replace full display because most of the time they don't sell mounting separately. I'm not sure about Falcon, but that's usually the case. So usually attach the way it can be moved a little bit, not a lot, because in case if you fall or if you port your bike in a car, you may want to move it the way it will not break. Also, to attach this controller, so the minus will go down and you basically just attach the same way you removed. And that's how you replace the display. So I put it back, this organizer, back everything. The display is tightened but can be moved a little bit, that's good. And this one, it's not moving, but it's not as tight. Make sure before you start to work on display, I forgot to mention to remove the battery and remove the current from the bike. So how to remove the current? You basically just insert the key in ignition. If it comes with ignition, if it doesn't come with ignition, you basically just start the bike by pushing power button for a few seconds. And this way you're gonna see the display will go on for 1 second or two and off. That means the current is out of the system. You can turn it off and safely start to work on the bike. I recommend to do this procedure every time you work on any electrical part on the bike. This way you're gonna remove the current so it will not damage the system, and also it will be safer for you. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for the bicycle, Philodo or any other one, check the link in description for discount codes. I have all the discounts for every brand. Also, if you want to buy Philodo bike, I have extra discount. This one, e-rides, if you use this, you're gonna save some money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.